Good morning, Jeff.
Good morning, Caddy, and anybody else. Who else am I saying hi to?
The whole family.
Hello, family.
What's happening outside right now?
Well, I think there's a little bit of a weather storm?
What kind of storm?
Well, it's something that happens in the north. I think it happens in the south too, but not as often. It'd be a snowstorm.
Snowstorm? Ooh.
And then the silent move over to the window.
Look at all that snow.
Look at it.
It looks like popcorn. Let's see, that's our subway stop right across the street. That's a snowed-in car. I think the view from my bedroom is prettier. Let's go see that. Do you see this a lot up here?
Snow?
Yeah.
Yeah. You see snow a fair amount.
Okay.
Mostly in the winter months.
All right, smart Alec.
Oh.
Doo doo. Doo doo doo. Jeff made that. Julia's room. Here we go. Here's the good stuff. This is the backyard. Totally snowed. That's all that white stuff is snow. 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 Look how pretty.